Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do here now is to open my case. Little plate cover is right here, and if you look closer, there's an arrow right here. Now I am going to be taking my finger, right, and just moving it like this so we can open up the needle plate cover. So you see that? Now I'm going to close it back. So just like that, I'm going to push it back like this, and then I'm going to slide it back down, and it's done. And I'm going to put my bobbin in. Now, like I mentioned, you always want the top thread and the bottom thread to coordinate when you're doing your sewing, except otherwise I'm instructed. But in this case, I have my yellow bobbin here that I did, and I'm going to show you because I'm teaching you. I want you to make sure that you get it, you really visually see very well exactly what I'm doing, so you could follow step by step. So when we put in the bobbin in now, this is very important, guys. You want to make sure that this part is again towards the back. If you see, this is facing towards the back, it's not towards the front. So let me just show you here. You want to make sure the thread is towards the back, right? And you put it just like this. You do not want to make sure that don't want to make sure the thread is in the front, because it's a no. You're not going to be doing anything today with this bobbin, right? With this machine with sewing. So always put the thread towards the back, guys, and make sure that this is on the right, this is on the left. That's how so my left hand has this here, and it's towards the back. Okay, then you're going to slide it down nicely in the hole, just like this. Then you would hold your left hand and pull the thread over this side. Then you would use your finger here to hold the bobbin down and pass it around the loop. So there's a loop right here. See that loop here? Very important. You pass it around the loop. So I'm pretty sure you can see because it's yellow, you should be able to see. You pass it around that loop here, right? Once you pass it around the loop here, you are in business. You're ready to get started with your sewing. You take your case and you put the case, so this is the case, you have to put the cover down. Make sure that this part is flat, okay? And you take the case and you push it down like this, and you push it down. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do here now is bring the needle down in the case to pick up the bobbin thread. So I'm gonna do this twice. I'm gonna do it this way so you could actually see what I'm doing. I'm gonna hold the top thread here. I'm gonna just hold the top thread here, and I'm gonna bring the bobbin down in the case. See, I'm bringing the bobbin down in the case, and I bring it up one time, and then I pull. See, I'm pulling, and then you can see the difference. You can see, because it's two different threads. You can see the yellow thread and the black thread. So once I pull it up, I could actually just nicely just drag it out in my hands like this, okay? And then once I'm done, then I take my both thread and I put it towards the back of the machine, and I'm ready to sew. So I'm gonna repeat this part again. Again, we're not gonna have the thread like this. This is towards the front. I'm gonna make sure it's towards the back, just like this, right? That the thread is facing towards the back. And again, if we're not sure, the diagram will tell us the exact same thing. Okay, this is the diagram here. Okay, so we put it towards the back, and we put it down in the case, then we put it toward the right, use our finger to pull the thread towards the right. Then we're gonna put my finger here to hold the bobbin down there, and I'm gonna pass it around that loop right here, okay? So I did it a couple of times to make sure you could see. So pass it around that loop, and then I close the case nicely. Okay, now I'm ready to pick up my bobbin thread. So what I would do here, I would make sure I hold this part to the front of me. And I'm going to turn the machine here. I am going to use my hand wheel to turn this towards me. Once I turn it towards me, guys, so let me just show you what I'm doing. I will turn it towards me, the needle would go down in the hole. Okay, so this is what I'm doing. I'm going to turn it towards me, the needle would go down in the hole. So let me just do that right now. I'm turning it towards me, right? The needle is going down in the hole, as you can see that. So it's going down, and then I stop, right? Then I continue turning it. It would come up from the hole, right? So once it come up, it's high enough, I stop. Then I'm gonna pull, I would pull now, and you see how it come up nicely? Just like that, okay? Then I'm gonna just nicely, gently pull it out. I put it towards the back, and I'm ready to sew. Okay, so let's practice now with our first stitch.